SmartWOD Timer is an advanced Android application designed specifically for fitness enthusiasts and athletes to enhance their workout experiences, especially for interval training and WOD, workout of the day sessions. This app features a highly customizable interface that allows users to set up various timer configurations tailored to their specific training routines. With SmartWOD Timer, users can easily create timers for different workout formats, including HIIT, AMRAP, as many rounds as possible, and EMOM, every minute on the minute. The app often includes visual and audio cues to keep users on track during their sessions, making it suitable for dynamic and fast-paced workouts. Additionally, SmartWOD Timer may offer features such as performance tracking, workout logging, and integration with fitness apps or devices, providing users with insights into their training progress. Overall, SmartWOD Timer is an essential tool for athletes and fitness lovers looking to optimize their workout efficiency and maintain motivation throughout their training.